At BFW Marcum, we are approachable, we're knowledgeable, we're there for you as a client. We know that the pressures that you face as a client are very tight. We know that there's constraints in place. So being able to say, hey, we have this project, we know what we're doing, and we're going to ultimately make you all look good, not only for your benefit, but for your community benefit. We are a community-oriented company. That's our culture. That's what we live and breathe every day. So we know and we love to live, work, and play in the communities we serve.
Hi, I'm Ken Bowen. I'm excited to be part of the BFW Marcum team to utilize my past construction experience and my expertise in the heavy civil field to help build projects for our clients to optimize their operation and efficiency over time.
I'm Megan Mansfield, and I've been in the industry since 2012. Really been in the industry since I was probably this tall, with my grandfather, who was also a civil engineer in the Paducah area.
Well, one, I think people don't understand the value of the inland waterway system and what it brings to the local economies and the nation as a whole. Because a lot of times the local ports, they're hidden to the public. You don't see those unless you're out on the waterways itself and understand the volume and what the inland waterways, what they can hold and promote the reduction and the other transportation modes. Whether that's on the highways, the rail yards, but also how significant they can be in helping it to work in conjunction with the other modes of transportation.
So BFW Marcum's role in inland waterways is really being able to do engineering design. So whenever we think about river transportation, we think about, agriculture moving, we are looking at the port side of things. So how do we create infrastructure for operations for those goods to come off the river or go on the river during harvest season and things like that. So whether that's docks, conveyor systems, all the operational mechanics that are to be in place to operate not only public riverports but private as well is what we specialize in.
All right, we start with developing a firm and positive relationship with our port authorities and their stakeholders to get to know them, understand what the goals for their success is going to be moving forward. In doing that, we understand local markets and local regions and what they've developed in the past for that particular area, and we key in on that to make sure we're delivering design and key goals for their ultimate success there.
Where we've really found our niche is being the technical arm of our riverports. So being able to provide services from inception to completion. So whether that be master planning, asset management, engineering design, and then construction administration, we really found that, our area of focus is being able to come in and make sure that those projects come to life with budgets, schedules, and a lot of funding constraints in mind. What brought me to BFW and Marcum, what I think sets us apart is our culture and our values being community oriented. So at the end of the day, I'm not going to do a project if I can't find out the why, because honestly, we have so much opportunity to do many different things in life. So I think that what BFW and Marcum offered for me and most of our employees is that community sense of purpose and knowing that our projects are our why. That is our passion, and we live in the communities we serve, and I think we really value that.